The real power of Lectora comes from the interactivity you can create with it. And all interactivity is created with the use of actions. Actions can be applied to nearly any object in your title and can be used to launch pop-ups, show and hide objects, close windows, navigate to pages, display question feedback, and more. And absolutely no programming is required. To add an action, first select the object within your title that you want to make interactive. In this case, I'll select an image. Then, click the action icon on the Insert ribbon. When you add an action to an object, an additional contextual ribbon, the Action ribbon, is associated with the object, enabling you to define one or more actions for it. Each action is comprised of a trigger with an optional delay and the action and target. The trigger determines how the user must interact with the object in order for the action to execute. For example, on mouse click means the viewer must click the image to execute the action, while on mouse enter means the viewer's cursor must enter the image for the action to be executed. After defining the trigger, select the action and target. There are many actions from which you can choose. For example, the Show action enables you to display a currently hidden object on the page. When the Show action is selected, select the target object that should be shown. The available target objects are determined by the contents of your page or items inherited from higher levels of your title. To test your actions, place your title in Run or Preview mode. When you interact with the object, is the result as you'd expect? Actions are the building blocks of every title. Let your imagination do the work. Lectora's actions will do the rest.